Hello guys, I introduce cheap price best phone in world. Realme 7 5G phone. Dimensity 800U Intuitu score 340K plus asterisk. 2.34 gigabits per second asterisk theoretical value dual acceleration Wi-Fi 5G. Realme 7 5G applies advanced 7 nanometers gaming processor, delivering a high-quality gaming experience. It supports advanced 5G plus 5G DSDS technology, switch network freely. 30W dart charge power up in a flash. 100% charge in 65 minutes asterisk 5 protections for smart chip 200% asterisk trickle current. 30W dart charge bring you an unparalleled charging experience. Supporting dart charge with screen on even in the heavy game, power up just in a flash. 5000 mAh massive battery for all day. 25 days standby asterisk 35 hours call asterisk 17 hours YouTube asterisk 9 hours PUBG asterisk. With massive 5000 mAh battery and all-around safety protection, you are up for endless entertainment on Realme 7 5G. Supporting OTG reverse charging, charge your AIoT anywhere anytime. Asterisk. Super power saving mode. 28H standby in 5% power asterisk 70 minutes WhatsApp asterisk. When power down to 10%, you can turn on the super power saving mode. Just 5% power can stand by for 28 hours. 120Hz ultra smooth display double FPS double smooth. 6.5 full screen 90.5% asterisk screen to body ratio 180Hz ultra high sampling rate. The Realme 7 5G is equipped with 120Hz ultra smooth display that truly is a feast for the eyes, with the 180Hz sampling rate to produce realistic and smooth visuals every time you touch the screen. 4.8MP ultra high resolution lens f1.86p lens. 8MP ultra wide angle lens 119 degrees wide angle. 2MP B&W lens f2.4. Macro lens 4 cm focus distance. Hidden fingerprint recognition. Capacitive fingerprint, touch, unlocked. Guys, cheap price, best phone. Check description and big offer now. Thanks for watching.